With this video, I'm going to show you how to do a signature for your Gmail. The first thing you want to do is open up a Google Doc, a blank Google Doc or a Word doc, whatever you want to use, and then just start typing in what you want your signature to be. I'm going to skip ahead here, and this is going to be my basic signature. I'm going to add a graphic, but you're going to want to actually add that later, so keep that in mind. But I've added any formatting, I've added links that I'm going to link to the website and Instagram, Twitter, that kind of stuff. So you just copy that, go into your Gmail, and from within Gmail, you want this option here, Settings, and then in Settings, go See All Settings. Within See All Settings, scroll down, and you've got your email signature right here. So create new, name it whatever you want, create. Now you're going to get this little creation box. So you paste what you copied from your Word document. And I mentioned that I want to add graphics. So in my case, I want to add just a graphic of the logo. So I'm going to space underneath that. I'm going to hit the insert image. I'm going to go to wherever I've got it saved. Once it's uploaded, it's going to insert it. And notice what it did is it made it quite large. You can click on it and you can change the size. So let's go medium here. And so that way it's going to show that as my signature. And you can play around with this. This is a pretty basic one, not too super exciting, but I'm just kind of showing it for the purpose of the tutorial. You can set your defaults. So do you want your signature to automatically default whenever you do a new email or replying, that kind of stuff? Do you want it to go before you quoted texting replies, that kind of thing? Okay, now I'm going to save changes. If I go compose, I've now got my signature down here in the email. So it's kind of a nice little feature that you can do. I'm going to play with this one a bit more and get it looking a bit nicer, but now you know how it works.